In this video, I'm going to show you how to save Excel files as PDFs without cutting them off. Let's open an Excel document. This is a multi-column table that I have taken as an example. Suppose you need this document as a PDF file without cutting off to another page, but as you can see here, this is a pretty big document. To save this to one PDF file page, you have to set the print options properly. In the title bar, click on File. From the left side menu, click on Print. A print window should appear on your display. At the bottom of the window, you can see that my document has consumed 2 pages because the last 4 columns of the data are on another page due to space shortage. That means if I save it as a PDF, it will take 2 pages, not 1. In the Print Settings menu, change the No Scaling option to Fit Sheet on 1 page. This will bring all of the data onto one page, whether they are columns or rows. Now all of the data is on one page. Now, in the left side menu, click on Save As. Browse to the location where you want to save your PDF file. Change the file type to PDF. Click on Save. You can see that my PDF file has opened in the window automatically, and all of the data is on one page.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.